An idea that is sketched with basic levels of meaning that are only represented as possible visual qualities to something that someone may find familiar. This is sign 1 in Peirce's 10 sign classifications. More on these next month. A first sketch to show what you mean is obviously something that is a first draft. It needs further refinements. This is how semiosis at the lowest level of visual representation begins to work. You have all done the scenario and heard, I do not get it. You do not give up, you refine, you resketch, and you improve your visual communication. Every time you resketch or select something else to communicate what you mean, you are crafting your iconic representation to enhance how someone else will understand what you are trying to visually communicate.